So guys, we're going to have some liver me there doing, you know, liver and dumpling, you know. Just coming from work and things, so I did this on liver and dumpling. But me introduce this, the slap your mama. You see me I say? Slap your mama virgin, right? And that's a hot and spicy one. Slap your mama hot blend. And one. But me there, so you did this on dumpling. Couple banana and some liver. As you can see, some in the process right now. I season up. So let me say hot coming in from work. Now we have put on something real quick. When I itch right over here, so see garlic in the eye right, just feel liver. We not itch, we not play, we not ramp around, guys. So let's stay tuned and watch out. Big up on yourself, careful lifestyle, lover. That is it. So see the guys' mums over here, so right here now. Preoccupied. She's up on the phone, see me, but at the same time, she did the caramel dumpling. Guys, we have 2 leftover and a banana. We are going to put that in the pot as well. But we're not going to put no potato because I too much starch that. You see? So, quick and fast, 2 finger banana, some caramel dumpling and some liver. So, I'm going to stay tuned and watch what I go on. Right, moms? That is it. Back in the building again, as I said, guys, a rush pot when you don't see liver. Yeah, man, the liver is on point. Right after this now, we just cook him down with some onion and things. You see me, I say? I start it out with some dumpling. You see it? And the 2 finger and banana. You can't stop fresh. See? So, that's what's going on in Cape Life Style Kitchen. That's it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. If you do eat liver or you don't, just let me know anyway. Right now, as long as I Cape Life I deal with it nice and spicy. You see? That is it. Stay tuned. See the guys, man, wrap up the flour already. See? So right now she's waiting for the water to start boil. And that is it. See there? I'm going to clean up already. Run through the dumpling. Straight off the job right into the kitchen. I don't know a thing set. Huh? That is it. See the guys? Dumpling are going in a pot. Caramel dumpling with liver. And 2 finger banana. Left over from the other day. That is it. Quick and fast. Straight from the job to the kitchen. See there? That is it. Mom's not skin, no teeth. Right, moms? No teeth, your skin. Food, moms. Guys, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about liver. Because Kev Lifestyle love liver. I know a lot of people they don't, but Kev love it. You see it? That is it. Keeping it nice and simple. That is it. Dumpling, liver. So I'm checking with you later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. That is it. Yeah, my sweet pepper, my onion, my ginger, my thyme, crushed pimento. You see it? Put it all in my liver at once. You see it? So I deal with it. Time after time going like, you know, I'm going like that, but I'll force it in there. Yeah. See it, guys? My ginger, my onion, my sweet pepper, my thyme, crushed pimento. I just make him go and simmer. Quick and fast. Dumpling and a few finger banana. When you don't see it, go quick and fast. Heard the comment. Straight out of the job to kitchen. Yeah. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Big up on yourself, guys. Kev Lifestyle. That is it. That's reggae table sauce, guys. Just spicing up some more. Go on, blending. When you saw a go on in a cave kitchen, that is it. Now play. Liver and dumpling and banana. This guy is about land. Or the boat dock. Or the plain land. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Quick and fast. Liver, dumpling, and couple finger banana. Guys, the liver done over with, you know. So I'm going to turn them off. It don't see dumpling and float. So I don't know what that is. That is as well. So everything ready. That's it. So guys, as I say now, I'm going to kill me now straight off of the J.O.B. right in the kitchen, you know, my mom's there. So we are going to match up this thing. So big up on yourself. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep life, style, peace out.